Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an exciting one. It is sponsored by Organizer Logic, so thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. I am going to be showing you guys my favorite organization and storage things for homeschooling around my house. As you guys know, we are in a temporary rental space, and downsizing our school from having a whole room to having just our kitchen table with a few little corners carved out was going to be a challenge. And so I feel like I've been able to keep things organized and have certain things accessible by the use of different organizing containers, and specifically the ones that I received from them. I love them. Not only are they very effective and efficient at what they're used for, which is organizing and storage, but they're really cute, like really cute. I will have them linked all down below so you guys can go ahead and grab some for yourselves, because I know you're going to want to. They're amazing quality and the design of them are really cute. So that is what this video is going to be today. I'm just going to go around and show you guys some of my favorite organizing things that I use for homeschool in our smaller rental home. So the first thing I want to show you guys is actually could be for anyone, not just a homeschooler, but it is to have a central location for library books. This basket, I love the neutral decor colors of it, and it has these really cool handles and this really fun print. I love how many books I can fit inside. So my kids keep all of the library books they check out right here in our entryway next to our front door. And this is a bin I got from Organizer Logic. I think I still have the tag on there, but that's their little logo there. This one is the cotton rope basket in large, and it is really big. There's probably about 40 library books in there, and keeping them in a basket like that isn't an eyesore in your house, and then you prevent losing library books. The next area I'm going to show you in this homeschool organization must-haves is a large basket like this. This is another basket I got from Organizer Logic, and it has a chalkboard label that you can change off what's on the outside, and it did come with the marker. Now this is another really good sized bin, you guys. The one I was using previously just got too small to hold all of our stuff, and you can see that this is in our living room in our main area. So I love that that bin is like a canvas tan color, and it's not an eyesore. Again, in our rental home, we do not have a homeschool room, so we are utilizing the main living space. In here is all of our Bibles, along with our history, daily devotional, student explorers for the kids, our science, and another history book that I'm using. And I'm able to fit all of that in that bin, and there's even more room in there. So I cannot recommend these bins enough, especially if you do store homeschooling things in your main living area. This is like near our TV, and it's on a little cutout. So it's really nice that that just blends in with my decor and keeps everything in one place. The next little area I'm going to show you is also in our living room of our rental home. It's on the other side of our couch. I showed this little cabinet here when we first moved in. I got that from Target, and it kind of houses some things we don't use on a daily basis. But I just want to walk you through a little thing like this. In my opinion, is a homeschooling organization must-have. I love being able to place the curriculum pieces that I don't use every single day but need accessible right here. Some of my kids' books that they're reading, the laptop, it all goes right there. Down on the side is another thing that I think is a must-have, and that is accessible art supplies. Each of these hold all of my kids' watercolors and pastels and different things that you can tell they use quite frequently. And this bin, also from Organizer Logic, is the perfect color to go with this cabinet, and it blends in perfectly. It's really a good size. Again, it holds 4 of these huge wooden art kits, and this bin is really fun because it comes with markers that your kids can write on the outside of whatever it's holding. We haven't done that yet, but it is washable, so that's a really nice feature. So you guys can see a theme that I use a lot of different bins. You can see a few different ones in there and even some way down here to organize our homeschooling stuff. Over here, I've got another bin. This one is actually from Target, and it has some things in it as well. The cool thing about organizing your homeschool in bins is that they can always be repurposed. If you need that bin for something else, you can just change out what's in there, but it really does help keep things nice and organized. So big bins like that, little paper trays like that, a little file sorter, definitely homeschool organization must-haves. Homeschooling organization must-haves are these bins. They are the Latchmate with trays. They are from Michaels, and they hold all of my kids' individual work that used to sit on top of their desks when we had a homeschooling room. So we just keep them over here in a nice neat stack in the back of kind of like the dining room area, so they're not visible. But those things are amazing. If you are homeschooling in a small space, or even if not, those things are super great. And then the last thing I have to show you guys for the homeschooling organization must-haves is the infamous IKEA cart. I finally got one for homeschool. I've had one for my boys' books in their rooms, but this thing is a lifesaver. So in here I have art supplies that we use on a pretty regular basis, my kids' daily binders that they use every single day we do school, and then on the top is all of our stuff that they can just grab out as they need, that they use almost every day. So color pencils, the little stand to prop up their typing. We just released butterflies, so we have that there. Dry erase, challenge words for language arts, some paper, dry erase, calculator, all those good things. So this little cart right here sits right behind the table, and I got the cream color, and I really love it. So again, a homeschooling organization must-have. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of my organization things that I feel are pretty essential to having an organized homeschool. I would love to know what yours are, so leave them in the comments down below. And please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to check out any of Organizer Logic's bins, the link will be in the description box. Thanks so much for watching.